Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix missing or disappearing photo in Moto G77. First of all, clear gallery cache. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search gallery app. Now click on gallery, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, gallery will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check hidden files. Open gallery. Now check hidden files. After that, check recycle bin. Now click on trash or recycle bin. Now here you will see missing or disappearing photo. Select that you want to recover. Now tap and hold on and click on restore. After click on restore, this video will be restored from your phone gallery. This is how you can fix missing or disappearing photo in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.